Hey guys, Roland and Andrew with Impress Computers. And today we're going to be discussing one of the custom builds that we've got. Andrew, would you like to tell us a little bit about the components that we've got inside this machine?
Absolutely. Not only, most importantly, we're going to put in a fresh 1660 brought to you by Zotac. We're going to put that in so it's a nice mid-range gaming machine. Custom build, you have plenty of upgrade capabilities. We stuck in a nice 2 terabyte M.2 drive in there. It boots to Windows from power up 5 seconds, guys. Not only do you have the Wi-Fi built into the motherboard, it's a gaming motherboard. Really strong connection, very comparable to direct connection. It's even worth trying at home, of course. Not only do we have that ready to rock and roll for you, we build these things fresh in Impress right here. We give you that option if you'd like to bring in the little one, maybe for New Year's, for Christmas, maybe a birthday. We'll give you the experience, build it from the ground up. Not only that, we can teach them some stuff, you know, get them some information.
Now I see we're running with the Corsair RGB RAM, and then we've got that EVGA liquid cooler as well. So all in all, a pretty good mid-range unit. Obviously they can put in a better video card down the road. They've got upgradability to put in extra hard drives if they need storage. Operating system that's running Windows 10, but can they go up to Windows 11 if they want to?
If they wanted to, I believe they can. It's in the 10th generation, so as long as it's an 8th gen and up, you're good to go for Windows 11, and it's primed, ready to rock and roll. Right in the middle. Guaranteed components, we throw in a gaming mouse and a mechanical keyboard. If you wanted to do the whole RGB thing, we even threw in a nice little control panel for you so you can control the lighting, any of the lights on the front, the memory, the motherboard itself, maybe for Christmas, maybe for New Year's. You might want to go for the birthday party rainbow set.
And everything on here is running with a 3-year warranty. And if you've got any issues with those components, you can bring it straight into us and we'll deal with the manufacturer so you don't have to. Roland and Andrew with Impress Computers, give us a call, 281-647-9977.
Happy New Year's.